To improve the needs of students, some Troy faculty are working together to find ways to make living conditions better on and off campus.
Today was just a gathering of university faculty, staff, and students around questions of basic needs on campus and students' access to food, housing, transportation, health, and are there limitations on that, and how is that limiting student success and retention towards graduation?
In addition to staff who work in the Center for Student Success, students were able to voice their concerns.
So, it's something we've experienced just anecdotally in the center, and thought that others might be having the same type of challenges, and just wanted to create the conversation today, not really knowing what that might look like institution-wide and on other campuses.
Some of the topics discussed were meal plan improvements and on-campus housing fees, and finding ways to work to improve living on campus.
Yeah, so I think initially, the next steps are not necessarily fully clear, but would be another gathering of folks that might be interested in working on some sort of committee that looks at these issues and what responses might be possible.
Adoria Hughes, Troy, TrojanVision News.